Audi PB18 E-Tron. Audi's latest high-performance sports car concept is an electrifying marvel, featuring not one, not two, but three electric motors that deliver jaw-dropping power and lightning-fast acceleration. Thanks to cutting-edge battery tech, it seamlessly transitions between road and racetrack modes, giving you the best of both worlds. While it's expected to be produced in limited numbers, its price tag of around $739,500 perfectly illustrates Audi's bold vision for the future of sports cars. Get ready to experience unparalleled speed and performance with Audi's groundbreaking innovation.